Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a look surrounding this Bésame Cosmetics Snow White Disney collection. It is so cute. I got this sent to me from Riley Rose. They sent me the bag. They sent me this beautiful palette. It has 8 shades in it. I know those top 3 up there look exactly the same, but they are different, I swear. The lighting's just a little crazy. And then I got these 3 lip balms as well. They're just these sheer kind of moisturizing balms. One is a red, one is a hot pink, and the other one, which is the one that I used today, is a very sheer light pink. And they smell amazing. I also got sent this little bag, and I was trying to be cute and pull the lipsticks out of it, but they all fell. So yeah, But you get all these lipsticks. It's 7 different lipsticks, and they're all named after the 7 dwarves. So cute. They're like little mini-sized lipsticks, and then you get 1 full-size bullet. So let's jump right into this tutorial. I got my Disney hat on. I got my Mickey Mouse necklace on. I'm ready for Disney. I'm Disney-fied today. I'm ready for it. I love Disney. So first I'm gonna prep my lips using the light pink balm. Just gonna moisturize them as I'm doing my face. And then I'm going to prime my lids using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. You already know what it is. You already know. And of course we're going to be using our Snow White palette. It is so gorgeous. The front of it is so cute. And it's got gold trim all around it. And then you open it and it says "with a smile and a song" on the mirror. And in the middle of the shadows it says "fill the world with sunshine." So cute. So I'm taking the shade The Fairest, which is just a light pale nude color. I'm putting it in my crease, and then I'm taking The Huntsman, which is a gray shade, and I'm just putting it in my crease a little bit more just to deepen it. We're doing a blue smoky eye, so I'm taking my Ben Nye Cream Crayon in bright blue, and I'm packing that all over the lid. That's just a good base, so we can put this bright blue shadow right on top of it from the palette. And then I just take a flat brush just to smoke out the edges there so there's no weird little lines going on. And I'm taking a little packer brush, taking the shade Once Upon a Time, which is the bright blue, and I'm packing it right on top of that cream crayon we just did. This blue is so magnificent. I was so shook when I put it on there. Oh my god, it's like this shimmery royal blue. It's so pretty. So I'm just basically blending out the edges, and I'm just going up higher and higher with very light pressure. And I do end up turning it into a cat eye shape. First it was going to be round, but then I ended up turning it into a super dramatic cat eye. So I'm just kind of smoking everything out. I'm kind of dipping back into The Huntsman, which is the gray shade, and just smoking out the edges a little bit as I go, and then adding more blue, and just going back and forth really, and building up that color and smoking it out very lightly. Moving back onto the face, both of them eyes are done. I'm taking my Optical Illusion Primer from Urban Decay. I'm putting that all over my face. I don't know why I was sitting so low. I'm sorry. And then I'm taking my Cover FX Power Play foundation, and I am using this today. I'm building it pretty heavy because I wanted full coverage. You know me. I love my thick foundation. And then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin as usual. And I'm going to blend all of that out and set it with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Simple as that. I'm taking that Ben Nye crayon again, and I'm putting it right in my waterline, and I'm really dragging it onto my lash line. That way we can super duper smoke it out and go crazy. Don't be afraid to put too much on, I guess. And then I'm going to go back in with that shade Once Upon a Time and really start blending it into that cream crayon and smoking it out. I wanted it super dramatic, so I did blend it down quite a ways. Then I'm taking my LA Splash Cosmetics Lumos dual-ended eyeliner, and it has black eyeliner on one end and then a glitter liner on the other end. I'm just using the glitter liner, and I'm putting that right in the inner corner. It's just gonna give a little pop, you know, a little something going on there. Then I'm going to be using my Dior Show mascara today. First, I'm going to curl these lashes because they need it. They are stick straight, let me tell you. And then I'm going to, before I do any of that, I'm going to go in with my basket case liner from Kat Von D and just kind of make the lash line a little bit darker there. I also take the shade Witch from the palette, which is just a black shade, just to smoke it out and make my lashes look a little bit thicker than they actually are. Now I am taking my mascara. I love the Dior Show mascara. It's just a nice mascara you can really build, and it separates your lashes super nice. So I'm just applying that on top and bottom lashes. Pretty self-explanatory. And for false lashes, I'm using my Aurora Queen lashes from Unicorn Cosmetics. They're just super long and they're not super thick. I just like how long they are. Those are my favorite types of lashes. They give a little volume, but mainly just make you look like you have crazy lashes. Now that both are done, we're gonna move back onto the face. I'm taking this cute mermaid brush. I mean, it reminded me of Ariel a little bit, the colors. And this brush is from Unicorn Cosmetics as well. It has a little mermaid handle there that is movable. You can move it around. And I'm going to be contouring with this brush. I'm taking my NYX contour palette. It's my cream one. I'm just applying it using this brush. This brush is perfect for cream contour. It's amazing. And I'm just blending it out on my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, my nose. And I wanted it super dramatic today, so I went for it. And then I took some of my Laura Mercier powder on a sponge and I just cleaned up that contour line. I love it. Now I'm taking this other brush and I chose the purple one because Ursula, right? So I'm just using this to apply some blush. Taking my favorite blush, NARS Orgasm, and I'm really going pretty heavy-handed today. I wanted it to be super dramatic. And then taking my Fenty Killawatt highlight, I'm using the Minted Mojito side, and I'm first spraying each side of my face with my all-nighter spray from Urban Decay, and then taking that same mermaid brush and packing it right on top, and it gives the most intense, crazy glow, especially the Killawatt highlights. Like, Rihanna just killed it with those things. They are so intense and so pretty. I also use it for eyebrow highlight and for my nose and Cupid's bow. And then for my lips, I'm using my Bullet from the Snow White collection. This is called Love's First Kiss. And I'm going in with my Rustification LA Splash Architect Lip Sculptor Liner. I'm doing that first. I'm just lining my lips and filling them a little bit in on the edges. Not too much, but I like to do that. I just don't want like a straight line from lip liner in case the lipstick starts to fade. You know, you don't want that line with the lipstick in the middle. You know what I'm talking about. You have to know. And then taking the Love's First Kiss lipstick, I am just applying that. It's a really pretty like pink shade. It's pink, but it's not like pink. You know? I hope you know. You have to know. Again, you have to know. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was super fun. I am such a fan of Disney. I mean, what girl isn't, really? I mean, I'm gonna be shocked if somebody tells me they're not a fan of Disney. But it was so fun to create. I love the Snow White collection. Please go check out Bésame Cosmetics. I'll have their Instagram and their website down below. Also go check out Riley Rose. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.